Welcome back to Abra Knowledge channel. Today we are going to discuss scatter diagram, scatter correlation and regression R square value, and we are going to do it in Excel, and we are going to compare with the Minitab as well as DATAtab. So that means we are going to do it in Excel followed by Minitab followed by DATAtab. Let me show there are three examples we are going to do it. First of all, we are going to do it in Excel. Very easy formula. The formula for correlation is CORREL, right? Array 1. So in this case, you can see the data set. How much sales, how much ad is the one, comma, and what's the sales? So 95, it looks to be a very strong correlation. There are two ways. Correlation value is R square, right? So either you can do multiplied. So that means you can do R square, or if you wanted to write the formula R square, you can still do it. Again, the same format. You have to select the array, and then we can get it, right? So this is in percentage. Usually it comes in. So I will convert into percentage. So we are getting like 91.4. Right? So if it is 91.4, I have given that greater than 80, it is a strong correlation. So it is denoted as it's very strong correlation as such, right? So very, very strong correlation. That's a good thing, right? So now the same exercise, let me do it in Minitab. Let me take Minitab. I'm opening up the Minitab. I have the old version 17 and opening the Minitab. Let me see if I have got the same value, 91.4 percentage. Meanwhile, I'll correct the spelling of correlation. Okay. And the Minitab has got opened. I'm just checking it again. Okay. It takes few seconds. Okay. Now it is the data. Minitab has got open. So what I'm doing it, I'm just pasting this value here. I'm taking the data from Excel. Let me go tab and let me take this along with the header, and I'm pasting it here. Let me find out the R square value. So start regression, and you have fitted line, and the sales is the output, input is the ad. So you can see here 91.4, right? Exactly the same value we got it here also as well. So it's matching, right? Similarly, let's proceed to another data tab. Let's say what data tab is giving the value. Okay, sales and one. And let me go to, because we are gonna do it correlation here, and we're gonna take both the metrics, sales and this, and let's see what's the value it gives. Okay, and maybe I will give a regression so that it will be better. We'll get it. Sales and output. The sales is an output. Independent is this. Uh, Independent is ad. Yeah, that's right. And I have to log in. Let me log in this one. Okay, I just realized that I have not logged in. So I logged in again. So that's the reason the value is being masked. no problem. So dependent is output, that is sales. Independent is ad spend. Let me see the value. R square, almost perfect, 91. Then we got the same value. And not only that, we got the scatter, everything. Okay. Let me proceed to the next set of example. The next set of example, temperature versus foam. What I'm doing it, I'm just doing it correlation, and let me do the same, and let me select the second array. Okay, I got this one, and r square, r square again. I will do this, comma, second array. Just close this. 91. Again, this also happened to be 91.1. That means very, very strong correlation. And let me just change the spelling. Okay, so strong correlation. Let's see in the Minitab first, and then we can see in DATAtab. In Minitab, I'm pasting this one, the value here. Okay, and go to start, go to regression, and go to fitted line. Okay, I have taken multi-regression, so it's a simple regression. So fitted line, and I have taken foam percentage versus temperature. So 91.1, perfect. Exactly, it is matching, right? So this also perfectly is matching. And let's do the same thing in the data tab. So what I'm doing it, I'm copying this data, going to the browser and going up, and I will clear the data and paste it here. So all the values got pasted. And so I'm interested in regression, and dependent is foam and independent is temperature. And you can see here it has less than 0.05. It's significant correlation. It also is given in terms of ANOVA, and also it has given the regression, so it is matching. So that means temperature and foam are correlated. Perfect. Let me proceed to the third example. And what I'm doing it, I'm CORREL. I'm just taking the sort. I'm taking the second array. So I got 0.8. That is also moderate or a strong correlation. Let me do R square. And similarly, I can just select this array followed by this array. So that means this is not very strong correlation, but we can say almost like moderate correlation because we are getting 65. Let's see what Minitab has to say about it. I'm just selecting this data and pasting it in the Minitab. Maybe I will take the new file and pasting it here, and then going to start regression, fitted line, and delivery time divided by sorting time. Let's see how much we are getting. 65.4, exactly the same value we got it in Excel also as well. The same thing what we can do, we can just paste it in the data tab, and I'm just sorting time is an output, input is, sorry, delivery time is an output, sorting time is an input. So how much correlation we are getting it? Here it says the correlation value, delivery time and sorting time. We're doing the regression and almost the closer value. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, share, subscribe the channel. You have a wonderful day ahead.